Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. And in today's video, I'm going to decorate my dear friend's son's birthday at her home. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see this cute reaction of this birthday boy, then definitely watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. As I'm doing a shark theme birthday party decoration, so for this I'm using some blue, teal, white balloons, colored paper, some colorful crepe streamers. Now I am taking a red colored paper and I have already drawn a crab over there, and I am going to cut the crab with the help of the scissor. Now it's time to make some shark. For this I have drawn a shark on the yellow colored paper and I will cut it with the help of a scissor. Now I am gluing these two parts. Now I'm making some eyes on the white colored paper and I will cut it and glue it. In the same way I'm making mommy shark and daddy shark. Now I'm going to attach this octopus on the wall, which my friend has made, who is currently behind the camera, and she is so sweet that she has made this for me. On the wall I have attached this blue, teal and white color streamers to give it some water effect. Now it's time to attach this daddy shark. Now I'm taking all the balloons and attaching it. With the help of green colored paper, I have made some grasses over there and I'm attaching it with the help of sellotape. Now it's time to attach the baby shark. And this is the final result. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think about this decoration. Do you like it or not? It is very simple and easy decoration you can make at your home for your child's birthday party. And I am so happy that my friend has trusted me and let me decorate her space. I'm very thankful to her. Now let's see her reaction on this decoration. So what do you think?
It's beautiful.
So do you like it or not?
Yes, I just love it. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're most welcome. Now she is nervous to face the camera, but she is so sweet and dear to me. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.